Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the HP Pavilion 15T-EG300 laptop. This mid-range 15.6-inch widescreen laptop promises solid performance and versatility, but does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the HP Pavilion 15T-EG300 features a blend of plastic and metal, giving it a sturdy and premium feel. It's available in multiple color options, though the silver model I have here is quite attractive yet understated. The build quality is robust with little to no flex, providing a reassuring feel whether you're typing or carrying it around. Moving on to the display, it's a 15.6-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The display offers decent colors and clarity when viewed head-on, but it falls short in brightness and vividness, especially off-angle. If you're planning on using this laptop for multimedia or creative work, consider upgrading to one of the better display options HP offers. On the audio front, the downward-firing speakers deliver surprisingly decent sound quality, making it enjoyable for casual media consumption. In terms of performance, my unit is equipped with an Intel Core i7-1355U processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. This setup handles everyday tasks with ease, including web browsing, office applications, and even light photo editing. For more demanding tasks like video editing or gaming, there are options to upgrade, including adding a discrete NVIDIA GPU for enhanced performance. Battery life on the Pavilion 15T-EG300 is average, lasting just under 6 hours during our streaming video test. It's suitable for use around the house or occasional outings, but not ideal for all-day use on the go due to its weight and battery limitations. If portability is a priority, you might want to consider more lightweight options like HP's Aero series. The keyboard on this laptop is full-sized and backlit, which is a plus for productivity, although the key legends can be hard to read in certain lighting conditions. The touchpad is responsive with a satisfying click, making navigation smooth and precise. In terms of connectivity, the Pavilion 15T-EG300 offers a good selection of ports including Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and external displays, enhancing its versatility for both work and entertainment. Wrapping up, the HP Pavilion 15T-EG300 is a solid choice for users looking for a larger laptop primarily for home use and occasional mobility. Its widescreen display and robust performance make it suitable for everyday tasks, though I recommend waiting for a sale to get the best value, especially considering the base display quality. If you're considering this laptop, think about your specific needs, whether it's for work, entertainment, or a bit of both. That's it for today's review of the HP Pavilion 15T-EG300. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.